so many dishes to do today. I mean, oh. Oh no. Let me try the bathroom if we got water there. Nothing. No water. There's no water today. No water in our house. What? Luckily, I know how this game works. I came prepared. Hello, you beautiful people out there. I just woke up and it is time for bird time because I want to share something with you guys. So last night it has been raining all night long, pretty hard, thunderstorm, like really crazy rain again. And I noticed this morning that the tap is running pretty low, almost no pressure in it, and that is a sign for we may run out of water again soon. So what happens when it rains so much here in Salento, they sometimes turn the water off, which is really contradictional because there's so much water out in nature and they turn our water off. Why would they turn our water off when it's raining that much outside? So actually the water here comes from all the rivers, waterfalls in the mountains, and they carry a lot of mud when it's raining from all the soil that gets inside. Mud, branches. So therefore, to protect their pipes and their pump system up in Salento, when it's raining a lot, they just turn it off. And you never know, like when it's raining, you're like, let's see if we're gonna have water today. But yeah, I'm well prepared, so I'm not worried. But I just noticed the water is really dirty, and that's our tap water. Look at that. So these are the bottles I prepared on another day because it happens quite regularly lately that they turn the water off in Salento. And this is me refilling water today. This is our water quality. Wow, it is so dirty. So the reason I am refilling some tap water is that we can at least flush the toilet so it doesn't get nasty. Dishes, they can wait, but the toilet, that gets stinky, so we want some water to flush that. And I am not gonna shower like this anyways. Okay, water today, water on another day. Wow, like this you can actually see it. This is our water quality today after a rainy day. Water here, water. Yes, I am prepared for exactly this situation. So washing my hands literally with the water I prepared.